Welcome to OnCrawl's Getting Started tutorials. Today we're going to check out the OnCrawl Chrome extension to analyze on-page metrics. The Chrome extension is part of our toolbox solution, a suite of free SEO tools. Click here to go directly to the Chrome extension store to add the extension to your browser. To use the extension, pull up the page you want to analyze and click on the extension in the toolbar. Here you have the different metrics for this page, along with their result and a score. Open the menu to go into detail. The extension reports on general page score, indexability, HTML tags such as title, description, H1 and other levels of headers, content, site architecture including page inlinks, outlinks, and anchors, and page speed and size. Finally, we have the Xray vision to highlight different aspects of the page in your browser. Before we click, let's go back and look at the number of image tags missing alt text. This is under HTML tags. Now, if we activate the Xray vision, we can see exactly where those images appear. Much of the information in the OnCrawl Chrome extension is available whether or not you have an OnCrawl account. But if you do, and you've crawled this site, log in to access additional information. Such as whether or not the HTML tags are duplicated, or what the anchor text is for pages on this site that link to this page. You can click through to the URL details in OnCrawl, where you can see all of the information that OnCrawl has established for this URL, and even find the details behind the data in the Chrome extension, such as all of the pages that use crawling as anchor text for this page. If you do a lot of on-page optimization, the OnCrawl Chrome extension will make a great addition to your toolbox. Questions? Reach out to us from the OnCrawl interface by clicking on the blue intercom button at the bottom of the screen, or tweet to us at OnCrawl_CS. See you next time. Until then, happy crawling!